Welcome this video. Video title is Elevate Your Space Stem Staircase Wall Decor Idea with Lights. Introducing the staircase is often overlooked as a space for create expression in home decor. However, with the right approach, it can become a focal point that adds depth and charm to your home, one away to aesthetic. This is by incorporating lights into your staircase wall decor for subject account to both statement those and endly possibility to illuminate and elevate is often under your area. We explored inspire staircase wall decor idea that incorporating lights range for minimalist design to stand install gallery wall illuminate transforming your staircase into a gallery wall by install photo lights above in frame artwork this creating a message like impression draw alert to your charm collect with provide sub illuminate other for sleep modern fix for a minimalist look choose note design for a touch of wedding elegance. Middle account wall with secure. A both statement with geometric wall seculon that double is light fix. Choose seculon price craft from material wood or embrace LED lights with those design this gardening appear at a com- contemporary this your staircase wall cost captain showcase and pattern on the secured wall staircase to coding light for a seamless and sophistication look consider install like among the circular wall this design fix and with the wall surface provide so unformed illuminate within the room for the overall aesthetic use the immune switch to adjective the brightness level account to your preference create charm, almost atmosphere for relax, even a brightness up the space and screen gardening backed wall panel